What is Copilot's role in AI code refactoring? Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can make coding easier, especially when it comes to refactoring? Let's take a closer look at the role of GitHub Copilot in this process. Refactoring is all about improving existing code without changing how it behaves externally. It helps make code more readable and maintainable, which is essential for any developer. GitHub Copilot acts as a helpful assistant during this process. First, it aids in understanding the current code. Before making any changes, you need to know what the code does. Copilot can explain code snippets directly in your integrated development environment, or IDE, making it easier to grasp the logic behind the code. Next, Copilot suggests improvements. It can point out areas where the code can be cleaner or more consistent. For instance, it can fix style and syntax issues, simplify complex functions, and recommend better names for variables and functions. This not only enhances clarity but also makes the code easier to work with. Another way Copilot assists is by simplifying code structure. It can suggest ways to reduce complicated inheritance hierarchies. For example, it might recommend separating business logic from user interface components, which can make the code more manageable and scalable. Performance is also a key focus. Copilot can identify slow-running code sections and suggest more efficient alternatives. This can significantly improve the overall performance of your application. When it comes to design, Copilot can recommend appropriate design patterns. These patterns help organize your code better, leading to more robust and reusable solutions. This is particularly useful when you are trying to maintain a clean code base. If you encounter specific issues, such as database deadlocks, Copilot can help identify and correct these problems. It suggests safer ways to handle database operations, ensuring data integrity. Additionally, if you are migrating code from one programming language to another, Copilot can assist in translating code while keeping its functionality intact. This is particularly useful during refactoring, when you need to update parts of your code base. For larger projects, Copilot can automate repetitive refactoring tasks. With features like Modify with Copilot, you can select a code segment and instruct Copilot to refactor it based on a pattern you provide. This saves time and reduces the manual effort involved in refactoring. For those learning to code with advanced AI tools, Copilot serves as an interactive guide. It offers real-time suggestions and explanations, making complex refactoring tasks feel more approachable. However, it is important to review Copilot's suggestions carefully. The quality of its recommendations can depend on the context provided, and it may not always produce the best outcomes if the original code is poorly documented. In summary, GitHub Copilot plays a supportive role in assisted code refactoring. It helps developers understand code, suggests improvements, automates repetitive changes, and guides the restructuring of code to make it cleaner and easier to maintain. This makes Copilot an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their coding skills and efficiency.